Hey everyone, it's Vinny here. Today, we're diving deep into the world of e-bikes with the VICTRIP Janus. So, let's get right into it. First things first, the unboxing. And yes, you heard that right. I went full Shaolin mode with a sword to open the packaging. Inside the box, the bike was secured with oversized zip ties and engulfed in packing foam. VICTRIP's packaging game is strong. Despite the box's impressive size, the Janus arrived pristine and ready for action. Now, the assembly process was extremely straightforward. Notably, VICTRIP didn't skimp on the essentials. Every tool you need comes right in the box. First step, I attached the front wheel. Installation was a breeze thanks to the provided cap, washer, and wrench. Next step, I attached the handlebar. A simple unlock of the latch, a thread into the folding vertical tube, and a quick latch, and it's up. Next, I installed the seat. The seat popped right in with no fuss. And last but not least, I installed the front headlight, which is crucial for those evening rides. To put it simply, assembling the bike was easy. It only took a few minutes. All the tools that I needed were in the box, and the bike came with instructions that were color-coded with photos and simple step-by-step instructions. Now let's take a look at the specs. Perhaps one of the standout features of the Janus is its dual battery system. Now, with 2 batteries on board, the bike understandably comes with 2 charging cords. This innovative design means that you can use one battery or juice up with both for extended range. Plus, with the battery equalizer in place, you're looking at prolonged battery life and an improved range. Underneath its sleek frame, the Janus boasts a 500-watt brushless motor, peaking at a meaty 864 watts. This translates to strong traction and a top speed of 24.8 miles per hour. And if you're into the off-roading or uphill adventures, it's got the torque to conquer up to a 30-degree incline. The bike comes with a Shimano 7-speed gear for those smooth and swift transitions between shifts. Riding has never felt so fluid. And when it comes to the LCD display, personalization is key. From reducing max speeds to managing startup speeds, the display offers a range of customization settings. Now let's talk about safety. The bike offers power-off disc brakes, a thumb throttle, an electronic horn, and integrated LED lights. Janus ensures a safe ride whether you are in broad daylight or the dead of night. For those of you wondering about the damage to your wallet, at the time of releasing this video, the Janus comes in at a sale price of $949, a significant drop from its original price of $1,099. Given the plethora of features, it's a steal in this e-bike market. I took the VICTRIP Janus e-bike on an adventurous journey through the breathtaking North Georgia mountains, and let me tell you, this was a ride to remember. First up, let's talk about terrain. The North Georgia mountains are renowned for their steep winding roads, a mix of both paved and gravel trails. In theory, this could pose a challenge for many e-bikes out there, but the Janus, it tackled the terrain like it was made for it, thanks to the 500-watt motor with a peak of 864 watts and impressive torque. Those curvy inclines became a breeze. Gravel roads that typically cause stumbles and stutters in many e-bikes felt surprisingly smooth under the Janus's 20 by 3-inch fat tires. One of the standout experiences during the ride was the abundance of wildlife. We're talking about getting up close and personal with some of Georgia's most iconic creatures. From a majestic, slow-moving box turtle to a nimble deer, the curious sight of an armadillo, and the sneaky glance of a red fox. It was a visual treat that you don't get every day. There's something undeniably special about riding a bike through nature. Unlike being in a car, when you're essentially observing nature through a window, biking immerses you in it. The Janus brought me closer to the great outdoors in a way that's hard to describe. The wind brushing past, the earthly scent of the forest and the sound of leaves rustling under the tires. It's a multi-sensory appreciation of the natural world. It's a reminder that sometimes slowing down and biking allows us to connect deeper and appreciate the little things that make our world beautiful. The VICTRIP Janus e-bike proved its mettle in the heart of the North Georgia mountains. It wasn't just about its performance or the sights and sounds of nature. It was about the authentic, unfiltered experience of being one with nature, an experience that's often missed when we're behind the wheel of a car. If you ever get the chance, whether it's on the Janus or any other e-bike, take the mountain trail and let nature speak to you. Trust me, it has a lot to say. The VICTRIP Janus e-bike isn't just an e-bike, it's an experience. With effortless assembly, dual battery power, and top-tier performance features, it's a perfect blend of style, power, and convenience. Whether you're an e-bike enthusiast or just starting out, the Janus deserves a spot in your garage. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Vinny signing off. We'll see you on the next one.